Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Android version, device model, and router firmware. This matters because drivers and protocols differ. First, toggle Wi-Fi off then on and reboot both phone and router. This clears transient issues. Once done, disable battery optimization for the Wi-Fi app and temporarily turn off VPN or data saver. These interfere with background reconnects. Make sure to test one SSID at a time and keep your SSID and password handy so you can rejoin quickly. Now you dive into diagnostics. Forget the network and re-add it, choosing static IP only if DHCP gives conflicts. Static fixes some lease issues, but use it with correct gateway and DNS. Next, check frequency. Test 2, 4 GHz and 5 GHz, and scan for channel congestion. Move the router or change channel to reduce interference. Also update your phone's drivers and router firmware, and switch encryption to WPA2/AES if the router is on legacy modes. These improve stability and handshake reliability. To finish, use resets carefully. Reset network settings only after backups, because it wipes Wi-Fi, mobile, and Bluetooth configs but often clears corrupt profiles. Once reset, boot into safe mode or test another device to determine if an app or hardware issue causes drops. If problems persist, log disconnect timestamps, signal strength, and any error messages. This data helps technical support. One key troubleshooting tip: if disconnects coincide with heavy apps, suspect aggressive battery or network management, and then disable those app permissions or replace the app.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.